Are you ready to make the most out of your Bitcoin IRA? Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin IRA fees. They can be a little tricky, but don't worry. I'm here to simplify things for you. First up, we have setup fees. When you open a Bitcoin IRA, some companies might charge you a one-time setup fee. This can range from $100 to several $100s depending on the provider. But here's a tip. Some companies offer promotions that waive this fee, so keep an eye out for those deals. Next, there are custodian fees. These are ongoing fees that you pay to the company that holds and manages your Bitcoin IRA. It's often a flat annual fee or a percentage of your account balance. A good rule of thumb is to compare different custodians to find the most competitive rates. Then, we have trading fees. Every time you buy or sell Bitcoin within your IRA, you might be charged a trading fee. These can vary widely, so it's essential to check the fee structure before you start trading. One way to minimize these fees is by consolidating your trades instead of making frequent small transactions. Last but not least, don't forget about storage fees. Since Bitcoin is a digital asset, it needs to be securely stored. Some companies charge a fee for this service, which can be either a flat rate or a percentage of your holdings. Look for providers that offer low or even zero storage fees to help you save more in the long run. Here's a pro tip. Always read the fine print. Some companies might have hidden fees, so make sure you understand all the costs involved before committing. And there you have it, a quick rundown on how to save on Bitcoin IRA fees. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your discount and start your Bitcoin IRA journey on the right foot. Thanks for watching and happy investing.